Hey! Okay. Where? On. So, in the last episode, we were fighting some zombies, I believe. I think, that's what I remember anyway. And, I believe that we, got some coal. Or I might be mistaken for another video, but yeah. I think. You know what? I'm just gonna, yep, so, we have now gotten lots of trays, and we have lots and lots of wood. Well, somewhat wood, you know what I mean, right? You know. Oh, sweet, I forgot about that cooked fish. And, turns out we're both making our own houses. I'm gonna be a equipment shop, or a supply store, or how stuff like that, you know. I can't believe what I just did. I am a totally idiot. Okay, anyway, so yeah, I believe we are going to make our houses today. I'm gonna start making my house. Start making my house. Okay, let's see what I want there. Oh, doom, 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 doom. Scream! Gotta let us scream! Gotta let us, gotta let us, gotta let us, gotta let us, gotta yeah. Gotta let us scream! Gotta let out scream. Gotta let out scream. Sorry. Yes, I did. Okay, sorry. Talking about a little stuff. Okay. Time to make my... I really need some cobble. And just hogging all the wood, yeah? Two can play at this game. Sorry about that. So yeah, it's like Battle of the Houses. Battle of the Builds. Yeah. Some rotten flesh. Sorry, I'm just so bored. We aren't doing too much. I don't know what to say. Talk about something else with different subject besides. Oh yeah, I'm gonna. You know, I haven't gotten any saplings. Well, I haven't gotten. Boy. How much wood do I need, though? That's a good question. Oh, my axe is running out. It's been a while since I made... For Christmas sake! Huh. Yeah, I think my sword's gonna break any minute. I mean, my axe. Oh, look, an apple. Okay. Okay. Oh, look, an apple. And some more saplings. That's the only thing I can do right now. I don't know what else to do. Okay, time to build. Not much charcoal, eh? I don't want to build. Gonna blow some mines. Yeah. Make some new cities. How much is that? I have... let's go ahead. I think we're ready to build. Don't need this right now. Okay, time to build. Battle of the Blocks. Why won't... Okay, time to build. Okay, time to build. Ah, wrong one. Okay. Torch. There was a torch, 9 terabyte, who knew he was greater than anybody else. In the world, he was brave, he was strong and as brave. He was obnoxious. He was obnoxious. He was obnoxious. I'm obnoxious. He was not. How much saplings do we have?